I want to share this incredible product that has brought so much joy to me and my family. It's the world's first AI-powered backyard birding system, designed for both interaction and entertainment, making birdwatching an exciting and educational experience for all ages. This feeder features a high-quality 3MP HD camera with an advanced motion sensor that captures hummingbirds in just 1 second, ensuring you never miss a moment. The free AI-powered bird identification automatically recognizes different bird species and provides detailed information about them, making it easy to learn about the visitors to your backyard. The system sends real-time alerts via the CoolFly app, allowing you to watch birds live and receive instant updates whenever a bird arrives. Designed with both functionality and durability in mind, this feeder is ant and bee-proof, preventing unwanted insects from accessing the nectar while still attracting beautiful hummingbirds. It has an optimized, leak-proof reservoir to prevent spills and waste, ensuring a mess-free experience. The refillable and easy-to-clean design makes maintenance simple and convenient. Since using this product, my family and I have been captivated by the beauty of hummingbirds visiting our yard. The clarity of the camera, the ease of use, and the accuracy of bird identification have made this an amazing addition to our outdoor space. Watching birds eat, fly, and interact up close has been a breathtaking experience, and the app works seamlessly to enhance our birdwatching journey. This is truly a spectacular product for nature lovers, bird enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a unique and thoughtful gift. Whether you're an experienced birder or just starting, this feeder makes it effortless to enjoy and appreciate the wonders of backyard birding. I highly recommend it, 100%.